How to redeem Zara gift card online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to redeem Zara gift card, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Zara gift card redeem. You will now be able to see various links in here. Go ahead and tap on the link that says how to redeem a Zara gift card. You will now see the guidelines regarding how to redeem a Zara gift card. Scroll through the page until you see the option for gift card activation page and tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, enter your card number, your activation code, which is the last 4 digits of your mobile number. Now enter your CVV number. The CVV is a 3 or 4 digit number that is unique to each credit card and only appears on the card itself. Now enter the text shown in the image. Finally, tap on the activate button you see there, and with this your Zara gift card will be activated. The next time you shop in Zara, you will be able to redeem the gift card in the checkout page. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.